Hello everyone, and here I'm again uh, doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So first of all, we are having multiple news in USD and a single news in Euro today. So the major high impact news is at 6 p.m. and 10:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. That is 11:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So I'm anticipating the price to be quite volatile and be cautious around these levels since it could be a high spread and high volatility areas. So now let's move to the charts. This is the monthly chart of Euro USD. The price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. Maybe you people or maybe who actually watch it daily could have uh, memorized this part. So the price reacted from this level and the same strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high and moved into the downward direction. Breaking this strong low gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So the price retraced back to this level over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction. So currently, the price was not able to break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. We are actually accumulating in monthlies today. I mean, monthlies right now. So I'll be directly moving to weekly's chart. This is the weekly chart of Euro USD, and what we have is we are having an order flow being maintained by the market, and we are having a strong low because it had taken the swing low of the weekly. Price had reacted from this level and moved into the upside direction, but currently we are sweeping the highs of the weeklies. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and then respect something into this candle over here and then move into the upside direction. Else we are going to go into the downward direction. So let's move to the dailies for a clear picture. So here we are into the daily chart. So here we are into the daily charts. And what do we have is we are also having the sweeps of the highs in dailies and the price is moving into the downward direction. What do we have here is this unmitigated candle by the market. So most likely if we are going to move into the downward direction, this could be our weak low which could be taken by the market or the inducement we can say. So there is nothing more to say into the dailies. I'll be directly moving to 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart and we are reacting from this uh, FVG right here. The price moved into the upside direction. This was also a flip zone. So I'm anticipating the price to react something from this, uh, flip zone you can say. But what do we have here is accumulation. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction towards this unmitigated swing. So let's move to the 30 minutes directly for a precise picture. So this is the 30-minute chart and we can clearly see that we are having equal lows accumulated right above this swing and it is unmitigated by the market. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction and then we can see an either side reaction from this level over here. So I'll be moving into the 15 minutes for the detailed sessions liquidity. So what do we have here is we are having equal highs accumulated right above Asia and we are having this low which is unmitigated. I mean this swing which is unmitigated and we are having equal lows accumulated right below this overall structure. So I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia high and then sweep this equal highs and then move into the downward direction towards this unmitigated swing. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.